Hello guys, welcome to my channel Chef Talk. I am your host Heather and today we are going to do something different. We are going to yes, I hope you guys have skipped this video and all. You have to not skip this video. You have to watch it till the end. This is a lesson for you. So yes, today we are going to speak about a very huge debate. Today we are going to speak about most two famous beverages which you have had it, which is one of them are a fruit juice and your black cold drink. So now let's start the video. So which one is healthier? Your fruit juice or a cold drink? Obviously you will think about this fruit juice, but there is a catch in it. Let me break it down for you. So let's start with fruit juice. Here in fruit juice, it is marketed as 100% fruit juice. But believe it or not, it is not. It only consists of 2.5%. This bottle of 180 ml, it only consists of 2.5% of fruit juice. Whereas, yes, of course, you will get good amount of vitamin C from it, but still, there is artificial colorings, natural and artificial colorings. Okay, there is flavoring substance, there are preservatives, there are extra color added, and of course, there is some sugar added. So, let me explain you about preservative. Why do they add it? Why do they add preservatives in drinks like this, which is a fruit juice? They add it because they want to increase the shelf life of it. So let's talk about
Cold drink.
guys here in this 200 ml of water. You will only find two ingredients, which is caffeine and sugar. In this 200 ml, you will get around 10 teaspoon of sugar, and it would be around 39 to 40 grams of sugar in this 200 ml water, which is harmful for you, obviously, but you can't even find vitamins or minerals in it. You can find around 2% of protein, which is, I don't think it's useful. You can find added sugar, you can find natural and natural identical flavors, which is nothing but artificial. Therefore, it is nothing but a harmful drink. You shouldn't have it on daily basis. Once in a while, it's okay. What are your thoughts now? Do you think this cool drink is healthier or this fruit juice is healthier? Well, definitely fruit juice is healthier. Which one? Homemade one. Yes, it is preferable for you to have some homemade fruit juice, not the 100% fruit juice. Oh, this water. You should have this also. With this, stay hydrated. I hope I have made myself clear. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And what are your opinions? Comment down below. This is your host Haider signing off. Bye bye.